Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Newman Thomas here. On this channel, we take a fresh look at entrepreneurship, investing, and business startups using high quality content. If you're new to this channel, please take a moment to like our channel and also to subscribe. Also, what we're doing is for the very first time ever, we are giving away silver coins that are 1 ounce and they are 99.99% pure. So once we reach 100 subscribers, and yes, I'm new to the whole thing, I don't have a lot of subscribers, hoping to build this channel. Once we reach to 100 subscribers, I will be announcing the winners for the silver coins. So please take a moment to subscribe to this channel, give you an opportunity to win the prize, and also share this video to a lot of family members and to friends, or you can keep the video to yourself so that you will win the prize. So today's discussion is the cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Bitcoin 101. I made a post on my personal Facebook page a few days ago, and a few family members messaged me privately and said, Newman, I would like to learn about blockchain, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. These are very too technical for them because I have a technical background and also I have a business background. I thought, why not put a video together to help family members out as well? So instead of going into the technical side of things and explain blockchain and cryptocurrency, I thought we're going to approach this from a very simple metaphor, or from a very simple point of view. So let's look at a real life example. Let's imagine that you run a honey making supply and distribution company based in New Zealand. So you sell honey to the local and to the international market as well. In China, there's a company in China that has bought some of your honey. They were able to replicate this honey in the lab and change the brand name slightly and sell it at a massive discount. Now, we know in China that there's a problem there where they replicate a lot of the brands. So they've got KLC instead of KFC, they got Levi's, they got Jack Daniels, and Buckstar Coffee instead of Starbucks. The problem with changing the brand is not only that, this company sells manufactured honey at a discount. Now, you're going to lose customers because of the cheaper price by the competitor. The quality of the product is not the same. You have fresh honey versus manufactured honey. If you have a moment, go to YouTube and type in manufactured honey. You will be amazed how honey is created in the lab. Now, the consumers don't know if the honey they're consuming was made in China or New Zealand. So here lies the problem. And this is where blockchain comes in and solves that problem. So from a business perspective, how can you ensure your customers will get your genuine product? That is a business problem. From a consumer perspective as well, how can you ensure the product they consume will not affect them? So you have a moral and also an ethical consideration for your honey. Now, the blockchain, in quite technical terms, and I will explain this in a way that everyone will understand. So a blockchain is a distributed database or ledger that is shared among the nodes of a computer network. So yeah, that's quite technical. Now, the whole idea of blockchain, in this case, just imagine one honey container, okay? It ensures a honey container is tracked from the farmer or from the supplier to the consumer. That honey is tracked along the supply chain, and we're going to go through an example in just a minute. So in simple terms, there are connected computers out there from the supplier, from the trucks, from the shipyard, from the other trucks, from the supermarket, that tracks a token, in this case a honey jar, from the supplier to the consumer. So let's look at an example. So let's say your honey is ready for shipment from your supplier in Hawke's Bay and the consumer is in the United Kingdom. So you as a supplier, you scan the QR code or you enter some information on the blockchain. Okay, you pack up the honey into the boxes and they're ready for shipment. Now the boxes are wrapped on pallets and the QR code is also scanned, or the information is entered into the blockchain again, that now the honey jar has moved from the supplier onto the pallet and ready for shipment. And the pallets are loaded onto the trucks. So as they're loaded onto the trucks, the blockchain is updated. The status of that honey now is now on the truck. It's not with the supplier. So the truck leaves Hawke's Bay, goes to the Tauranga Harbour. The pallets are offloaded. The blockchain is updated. So every time the honey has moved from the supplier to the consumer, each of those are called nodes. Okay, so you go, there's a pallet node, there's a truck node, there's a shipment node, and so forth. So the pallets are checked and they're loaded into the containers. Now the containers are loaded onto the ships. So once it's on the ship, the blockchain is updated. Now that honey is now on the ship. The ship leaves the port. The ship arrives in the United Kingdom. As the honey is offloaded off the ship, the status of the blockchain is updated. However, the number stays the same, just that the status now is saying location is in the United Kingdom on the ship. And then the trucks will take this honey to the warehouse, and the warehouse will scan it again, the QR code, or the update the blockchain. The warehouse unpacks the pallet and delivers the honey to the local supermarket, and then you have the buyer that will buy the honey. So throughout that blockchain, from the supplier to the consumer, there are nodes that the only thing that's get updated is the status of this honey. It's not the barcode or the QR code. It's just, it is now at a different location. Now, so once we understand that's the blockchain, basically it is a platform when a product moves from A to B. Now, what is cryptocurrency? Okay, so when you understand that the blockchain is just the platform, it's not anything else, then cryptocurrency, so a blockchain is the platform of tracking a product from A to B along the nodes. So you have different nodes there. Now, a cryptocurrency, on the other hand, let's replace the honey with money. The same principle still applies. You have the blockchain, which have the nodes, and then you have the money that goes from one person, A, to the final destination, which is B. And sometimes it usually takes about 10 minutes to transfer money from A to B on the blockchain. Now, no one entity controls the blockchain. So if you imagine that honey has jumped through many nodes that is controlled by the pallet organizers, by the truck organizers, by the shipyard, there is no one person that controls it. And here lies the real benefit of cryptocurrency, because basically your money is not in the system, it is out of the system. It is not controlled by one entity like the bank. This money, when it goes from you to another person, it is verified by different nodes until it gets to the destination. So what is cryptocurrency? So in technical terms, all you have to do is change the honey, which is the product, into the money. Okay, so cryptocurrency, basically it is the financial digital payment system to verify transactions. So you can use blockchain for a whole lot of applications. You can use it for tracking honey. You can use it for tracking cryptocurrency, which is financials. You can use it for tracking products, tracking services across the blockchain. That's the difference between a blockchain, which is the platform, and cryptocurrency, which is the financial movement or entity or digital currency from A to B. So as a summary, so blockchain is basically the platform where there are different nodes to verify the movement of money, product, services, and cryptocurrency is just the financial assets that moves from A to B. So you can say that cryptocurrency will not exist without a blockchain, because blockchain is the platform and then cryptocurrency is you build on that blockchain. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is Bitcoin. You know, when I talk about cryptocurrency, so Bitcoin is one of the many financial cryptocurrency out there. So there's Bitcoin, you got Ethereum, you got Shiba, you got the USD coin as well. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. It is a type of cryptocurrency. It is a financial coin or a digital coin or a digital number from sending money from one person to another person. So peer-to-peer means I can send money, I can send Bitcoin on the blockchain as cryptocurrency. So hopefully everybody understand that question. If you don't mind, take a moment to like and to subscribe to this channel, and I will be producing some more information to help everyone out there. Thank you, and hoping everybody will have a good day today.